Hello YouTube, welcome to another episode of Boyd's Coins. We're going to be doing another 2-box penny hunt late night edition this time. Well, I went through both these boxes. I have one, two, come on. And 3 enders on between these 2 boxes, all 1950s. But this last one's going to be very interesting. But I'm going to set these 3 to the side. This is going to be the last 3 rows going to open. And as for our book so far, I'm still hunting for those 2009 presidentials. And as for the 41 to 1974 book, I still got a little bit work done to do on this one. And of course, the 09 to 1940, boy, this is empty. Hopefully we can find something. We can put a little bit of everything in each one of these books. Well, let's get this hunt started. Row 15, box number 1. Well, first wheat. Well, I can tell, look at the back. This possibly could be an old penny, but let's see how old it is. Oh my, 1917 Philadelphia. I don't know why. I've been having a habit of finding these 17s for some odd reason. Because in about the last 9 months coin roll hunt, this is about the 4th or the 5th one I found. But oh yes, this is definitely going in the book. Let's keep going. Row 21. Found a second wheat penny, 1958, Denver. Halfway finished box 1. Now for a recap. For the halfway point of box 1. Well, it's like I found a grand total. 9 2017 Philadelphias. 4 2009s. Well, it's long overdue, but I finally found a presidential, and that's a 2009 Denver. I just need the Philadelphia, and I'll finally have the 75 to 13 book done. 2 forms from Canada, 1972 and 1982. Now, I did pick up a third wheat penny. 1955 Denver. And of course, got this 58 Denver. But the gem of the box so far is this 1917 Philadelphia. Hopefully, we can go through this other half of this box, and hopefully, I might finally find an Indian head. So let's keep going. Row 31, box 1. Well, so I've got a pretty nice 1955 Denver on the obverse, but let's check this reverse to see if it'll match or not. Oh no. Oh, the corrosion on the back I'm still happy I found the wheat penny, but I'm disappointed. But we can take what we can get. Let's keep going. Row 32, box 1. Looks like we found another counter stamp. Well, this one's got Abe Lincoln's and JFK's head on it. I do have another 74 Denver set back in my collection. Well, at least I know I have a matching pair now. Let's keep going. Roll number 34, box 1. Looks like we found the 5th wheat penny. Well, let's see what we got. 1956, Denver. Roll 39, box 1. Looks like we found a 6th wheat penny. 1957, Denver. Roll number 41, box 1. Looks like we found wheat penny number 7. 1953, San Francisco. Roll 44, first box. Found a 3rd Canadian. 1965, Canada. Roll 46, first box. Found another 50s wheat penny. 1956, Philadelphia. Roll 46, first box. Found another 50s penny, 1956. This makes wheat penny number 8 for the box. Roll 48, first box. Found the 9th wheat penny, 1956, Philadelphia. Roll 49, first box. Well, we found a 10th wheat penny, and we finally found one in the 40s, 1940, San Francisco. Box 1, this 2-box penny hunt is now complete. Now for a recap. Now for the recap of box 1. Well, I did find a good number here of pennies. I'm going to be checking later, see if I can upgrade in my book. As for the 2017 Philadelphias, found a grand total of 11 2009s. Just a grand total of 7, but I actually was able to find all 4 reverses, something I haven't done in a while. I got the 3 Canadians, 1 counter stamp, and now for the wheats. Got a grand total 8 from the 1950s, 1 in the 1940s, but definitely the find of the box is the 1917 Philadelphia. Well, 10 wheats in the box, that's a pretty strong box. I still yet have box 2 to start going through, but remember, at the end, I'm going to be popping open these 3 enders to see if we can get anything off of that. They're all 1950s. I just hope they're not 1959s. Well, let's start the second box. But boy, it's got its work cut out to beat box 1. Roll number 2. Second box. Found another 50s. Wheat penny. 1950. Denver. Roll 5, second box. Found a second wheat penny. 1953. Philadelphia. Roll 6, second box. Already found a third wheat penny. 1956. Denver. I'm going to go ahead and apologize in advance. I unintentionally opened one of the rolls I had the ender on. But boy, did we find a pretty one here. I like the details on the back of this. Let's see. It's probably going to be a common date, most likely. Oh, quit sliding there. Yep. Nice little 1956 Denver. Well, that's going to probably make wheat cent number 4 on this box already. But let's keep going, and I hope I won't hide these other 2 enders. Make sure I don't accidentally open them. Roll number 9, second box. 1935 Philadelphia. This box is already starting to look really good already. It's still early, but let's keep going. Roll 10, second box. Found a pretty good looking little 1969 San Francisco. But that's not the only find in this roll. Found another wheat penny. 1957 Denver. I hope this keeps. I hope we can find some more wheat pennies. This might end up being a pretty good harvest. Roll 11, second box. Another wheat penny already. 1956 Denver. Roll 12, second box. Found another wheat penny. 1955 Denver. Alright, we're halfway through box 2. Now for a recap. Now for the recap for midway through the second box. Well, looks like I found a grand total. 23. 2017 Philadelphia's. 2009's we found a grand total of 10 so far. I'm still looking for The 2009 Philadelphia meant to finish the 75 to 2013 book. We got our 3 Canadians. The oldest one being 1965, 1 year away from being a younghead. Now let's get into the wheat pennies. As for the 1950s, $12 1950s with that real nice 1956 that opened on one of the enders. One little lowly penny from the 1940s, that's 1940 San Francisco. We also found a 1935 Philadelphia and a 1917 Philadelphia so far. Plus, I went ahead and went through quite a few of the nicer pennies that I found for upgrades in these albums, which I'm going to be doing a lot of switching here after I get done with this hunt. So by the time I get done with this book, I'm actually going to be able to add 2 or 3 to each book at least. Well, I still got these 25 other rolls to go through, and I still have the 2 other enders to pop at the end. So let's keep going. Roll 26. Found wheat penny number 8 in the second box. 1951, Philadelphia. Roll 29, second box. Found a 4th foreign. 1988, Canada. Roll 32, box 2. Yielded another 50s penny. 1957, Denver. Roll number 34. Well, it's not a wheat, but I did find this nice 1963 Denver. But I'm going to be setting this one to the side, but this one definitely going to be upgradable on these albums. Roll 36, second box. This makes wheat set number 10. 1950, Denver. Roll 37. Another 50s penny, 1956, Denver. Roll 41. We actually found 2 wheats in this roll. First one, 1948, San Francisco. So we finally found another one in the 40s. But this is another 50s. 1953, Philadelphia. This is a pretty good shape, guys. Let's check this reverse. Oh, definitely, yes. Full details on this wheat. But, yeah, I've actually found 2 nice pennies in one hunt. We're doing great. So, on with this hunt. Roll 43, found 2 more wheat pennies. 1952, Denver. And a 1957 Denver. Side little... Really, not all in all bad shape, even though this is a little bit tarnished on the offers. We'll definitely take this. This will make wheat penny number 14 and 15 in the second box. Let's keep going. Roll 49. Found yet another 1956 Denver. So this makes penny number wheat. Roll 49, second box, 1956 Denver. Well, this makes wheat penny number 16 in the box. Well, let's finish this box up, see what we can find. Alright, box number 1 and box number 2 is now complete. But we're not done yet, guys. I still have 1. And I still got the second roll here with the enders on it. But let's see what else we can find for bonuses around here. Alright. Now, it's technically the second roll with the ender. Let's see what we have here with this ender. Oh, yeah. It is a wheat, alright. 1954 Denver. Alright, this is the roll with the last ender. Let's see what we have here. Yep, it's a wheat. Let's see if we can get some focus on her. Hopefully I can see what we got here. Well, 1953 Denver. Now, well, let's get everything together here and let's do this last recap. Now for this last recap, well, I've got a nice huge stack of pre-82 copper pennies to add to my ever-growing hoard. And as for all the upgrades of my books, I've added a few more since the last update. There's that 2009 Presidential out Denver. Now I'm just going to need one more. I just need the Presidential Philadelphia Mint. And I'll be done with it. I will be completely finished with this 75 to 2013 book. Now for the 1940, 1974, well, not too much to add on as of right now till I finish this video when I reveal all what we have found today. And there is your 1909 to 1940s. Now for the final results of this finds. As for the 2017 Philadelphia's, I found a grand total of 27 altogether. (2009's) found a grand total of 15, including the one I've added to the book. One counter stamp. We found 4 Canadians, with the oldest being 1965. And then managed to find 5 1959s. But this is where it's going to start going haywire. 50s. In 1950s, I found 24 total 1950s. And I did put this real nice 1953, 1956 in the end as well. As for the 1940s, well, only 2. But they were both as mint marks, so I was happy with that. In the 30s, I did find this one 1935 Philadelphia, but the mega find in a box. Well, it's not in the world's greatest shape, but the 1917 Philadelphia. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please hit the like, subscribe, and share, and please leave a comment. And remember, every day is a treasure hunt.